What if I tell you that you don't have to choose between the two high-paying formulation skills of organic skincare and organic hair care? What if I tell you that you can learn the two skills at one single place, in one single course, and at comparatively affordable fee? What if I tell you that by the end of this course, which is roughly estimated to be 6 months, you'll be well equipped with knowledge, support, and confidence to start your own beauty brand? Will you believe me? Learn Canyon's diploma in organic skincare and hair care formulation course is the best deal of the planet. You'll get the goodness of our other two courses in one package. Isn't it an affordable deal? There are 24 modules covering the entire spectrum of skincare and hair care. 40 plus high quality video lessons taught by expert formulators. 200 plus study materials, guiding in beginner friendly way. 2 years of personal mentor support and 24/7 student support. You'll also receive an accredited certification of completion. And now let me tell you that this is what you would have mastered after completing the course. Skin and hair science, professional product development, lab setup, organic ingredient knowledge, branding and marketing. Trust me when I say our job isn't done with teaching effective formulas. We'll also help you with your beauty brand setup and teach you the ins and outs of bringing your organic beauty products range in the market, and also we will share the secret of how you can sell them on an online platform. By taking action today, you are marking your future as a professional organic formulator. Enroll now and you'll get the benefit of our ongoing discount. Visit our website to enroll in our course. Admissions are open. See you inside the visual classroom. Bye-bye.